And we may be seeing a lot of rain for ourselves here in Southwest Florida. Let's hope something like that doesn't happen.
No.
But
No.
we are, it sounds like we may see a rain event coming up.
We've been talking about it for days, so this is not a surprise, but we've been able to see it from the models that this is what was going to be taking place, and we're going to get to the maps in just a second. Today it was very hot. We have had some rain around our area. Some of the showers that we did have earlier today were on the heavy side, but things have quieted down. Before the rains came this afternoon, we managed to get up to a high of 92, and that is not a record. You can see back in 1943, we had a high of 95 degrees on this date. So it was hot all the same, and we are looking at temperatures right now that are mostly in the 70s for us. And most of the rain has finally moved on up towards the north. We're left with a couple of scattered light rains at this point, and we're not expecting to see anything else developing for later on tonight. So let's get to this system, which is located down here. This is the Yucatan Peninsula right here in the Caribbean, and this is where our low pressure area is, and it is going to continue to move on up into the Gulf of Mexico. And you can see this counterclockwise swirl, and notice that as it begins to move into the Gulf, we start to see all of the wet weather which will start to develop to the east of that center. So this is why we're going to be getting copious amounts of rainfall over the next couple of days, and it is going to be moving on in over that period of time. So this is what it looks like as far as the hurricane models are concerned. The spaghetti models were showing that this system is actually going to make landfall to the north of our area, but once again it's because all of the wet weather and the wind and the rain is going to be to the east of that center. We're going to feel the brunt of it. So what we're going to be seeing are these very strong winds developing, and you'll notice that that's going to be on the east side of this low, and so we're going to be getting it along the west coast of Florida. And what's going to happen is that low pressure system is going to move off very quickly. It will be guided off towards the Atlantic as a result of this front coming on in, stalling out over the northern part of the state, and over the next several days we're going to see plenty of rainfall. Tomorrow we've got about a 30 to 40% chance of rain, but a cumulative amount over the next couple of days looks like this. Starting Monday afternoon, we're going to see about 3 inches of rainfall along the west coast, and then by Tuesday we start to see rainfall amounts of up to 4 to 5 inches of rain. So this is going to be a rain event. It starts Monday afternoon and it continues all the way through Tuesday and into Wednesday. Right now you can see some of these winds that will be coming on in. They're going to be coming in right in advance of this system, and what we're watching is that we've got most of the rain, as we know, is going to be coming and affecting us along the west coast. This is what it's going to look like because we've got these showers that are going to be forming east of the center of this system, and we're going to get the majority of this wet weather. So it's going to be along the coastline of Florida that we're going to be seeing this, and we've got a 100% chance of rain for Monday and another 100% chance on Tuesday. Tomorrow, the rest of the weekend is at least going to be all right during the morning, but we are looking at about a 30 to 40% chance of rain as the afternoon wears on. We'll be right back.